Today, I'm sharing one of those a little goes a long way garden helpers that I keep coming back to. SUPERthrive plant vitamin solution. And yes, this is the big 1 gallon size because I've been using this for over 10 years now and I swear by it. So you're basically set for a long, long while with this jug. This is a super concentrated plant vitamin solution, and it's especially loved for helping revive struggling plants and reducing transplant shock, which, let's be honest, is when plants get the most dramatic, right? You know, the moment you repot something, you water it, you whisper encouragement, and it still acts like you ruined its whole life. This helps take the edge off that stress and supports stronger, happier growth. Here's the simple mixing tip to remember. For general watering, the instructions are 1/4 teaspoon per gallon of water. That's it. And because it's so concentrated, you truly don't need more than that. I like to mix it into my watering can and pour it right in at the soil level. Here I'm fertilizing all of my veggies in my Vago gardens, and I try not to get any of it on the leaves so it can soak down where the roots actually need it. Now let's talk about the schedule because that's what everyone wants to know. For general maintenance, you can use it weekly or even monthly with that diluted mix. During the growing season, some gardeners like to use it every other watering for a stronger routine. And for transplants, this is the moment to use it. Mix it up and water it right in where you plant the plant so your flowers and greenery settle in with less shock. A few little home sweet home garden tricks. First, always check your soil moisture before you water. Overwatering can undo all your good intentions. Second, after transplanting, water well and then give it a little time before you water again. And third, keep up with trimming spent blooms because that encourages your plants to keep producing flowers instead of putting energy into the old ones. People often say they notice changes fast, sometimes within days, like perkier leaves and fresh new growth. And within a week, you may see your plants looking greener, fuller, and just more alive, which is exactly what we want. Home sweet home tip. Keep a tiny measuring spoon clipped near your garden supplies because with something this concentrated, consistency matters more than extra, and you already know consistency is my standard. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link. At no extra cost to you, your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much.